Hey family, welcome back to another episode of the No Niche Neighborhood. So today's episode, we are making that no water cabbage soup, y'all. I've been craving this, seeing it all on my TL. I don't know if it's recent. I don't know if I'm late. I don't know what part of the trend it's on, but for me, this is dinner tonight. So I'm taking my potatoes, layer them in the pot. And actually, this is when she realized she messed up. I needed a bigger pot. So I did the same layering technique with the garlic, butter, and ginger at the bottom. Put my potatoes, season my potatoes with a little salt, pepper. I did me a little curry spice, keep it a little interesting. Once I layer my cabbage on there, I put a very little amount of chicken, y'all. I be getting the meat ick. I don't know if it's just me or y'all like me, whatever. But I didn't want to put too much chicken in here because I mostly wanted to have the vegetables and try them. Yeah, I think that about does it. When they say it makes its own juice, like what? That's that whole pan, y'all. That's a big pot. And I just scooped over what was in the other pot into the bigger one once it cooked down some. I'm trying to put it on low, but dang, it seemed to be just bubbling. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Yeah, that's wild. I'm about ready to eat, though. Like, I don't know how long they say this stuff's supposed to cook for, but it's looking good to me. I think I've had it on maybe 45 minutes between there. It smells so, like, why don't they have smell-o-vision yet? Why is that not a thing? It smells so good, y'all. All right, y'all. I've been slaving over a hot stove for you. Let's see how this tastes. Don't mind him. Just a slow blinking backup dancer. Right, Louie? Yeah, Lou. So we're gonna go ahead, give our magic soup a try. I don't even know why I'm calling this magic soup because I'm honestly laughing at that since I know so many different like cultures and like, we already make soup like this. But it's the, comfort of it all. The reminder, it only takes a few simple ingredients to have a good meal. I like the message behind that, so I'm backing it. Anywho, let's pray. Okay, let's pray. Thank you. All right. So, got a little bite of chicken, a little carrot, a little cabbage. I don't know, potatoes in there somewhere. Woo, that's fire, bro. I did possibly add a little bit too much spice, but we vibe. No, I'm lying. It's not too spicy. It's just hot as balls. I literally just took it off the stove. Bro, it's good. It's savory. And for like the longest time, I had a weird thing about carrots, but they're cooked right. I don't mind them now that I'm older anyways. It was just when I was younger. I really had to have like raw carrots only. So good. That's really freaking good, y'all. I give that, it's comfort food. How can you go wrong? Definitely 10 out of 10. Ooh, so good. Oh my gosh, I'm about to enjoy my dinner. I hope you enjoy. Make your own version. Let me know down in the comments. Bye.